Let's imagine that you were using GardenCAD and creating a design, something like this, and for reasons best known to yourself, your design you've decided will be at an angle, or some sort of paving will be at an angle of, and I've suggested here 35 degrees. So if I select that line running through there, it's 35 degrees minus 35 from the horizontal, and what is that, 325 in a anti-clockwise direction. So we want to put, or the designer wants to put, some sort of paving area in that sort of pattern in that area, but aligned with the 35-degree angle. It's quite tricky to draw that on some sort of grid and work out the calculations. It's far better to draw your shape over here. What I've done here is I've set up a grid, a 1 meter grid. I think I'll just check that. Drafting age grid, yes, I've set a 1 meter grid, and I've just used the line command and drawn with snap on. I've just drawn from grid point to grid point to create the shape, the particular shape that I'm after. And you can see how easy it is to draw in this way. You can create these sorts of paving shapes. Now, what I've then done is moved all of that, or in fact before I moved it, I simply rotated it. So I'd put my snap off, wrapped a box around these and said rotate. I've got my snap grip on, so I can pick on that point there and just spin it 35 degrees. Oops, let's undo that. Try that again. Minus 35 was what's required. Rotate, lock there, minus 35, and we've spun our shape, and now we can simply move it from there and put it in position. Can you see that you need to think ahead a little and use the tools that are in here to assist you in placing the design? I'll just erase those, we don't need them, and our little design here is taking shape.